Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to watch how to apply an e-visa to Turkey. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this eVisa website of Turkey. And before I go to main page, I have gone to FAQ because there are so many questions that anybody would have when they apply, right? First of all, who is eligible? So, countries are eligible for eVisa. Okay. So you can select if your country is here. Okay. Like if I select India is not here, right? Oh, India is here. But it's we need to find, okay, if there are any other requirements. uh, okay, all right, and so you can go through this. Now steps: apply, make payment, and download. So let's start with apply. Proceed with by providing requested information. Now country: select country, region of your travel document. This is very important. So if I select India, let's see what happens. Ordinary passport security validation. To be honest with you guys, I'm very poor in doing this. I don't know why. Arrival date in Turkey. So period of one, you cannot exceed 30 days. Okay, so just wow. Okay, just your arrival days should be within 3 months as of date of an e-visa application. Okay, and at least 48 hours before. So let's say you are going sometime in April 25. Meet the criteria. Okay, save and your fee you see. Prerequisites. You must meet the requirement below not obtain e-visa. My passport covers the period. Okay, I can prove that I hold a return ticket. I am traveling for the purpose of tourism business. I have a valid supporting document, valid visa or valid residence permit of one of the Schengen countries, USA, UK or Ireland. E-visa are not accepted as supporting document. So as an Indian, you need to have these requirements before you can apply e-visa to Turkey. If you don't select, if I select this, I get this. Otherwise, this option does not come. So let me check for some other nationality. If I select my nationality as Canada, travel document, security validation, you are exempt from visa. You don't even need this visa. Okay, fine. That's what I say. Nationality is very important. So I'll go back and I'll again go for like India and I'll select all those prerequisites and then we'll see what happens. Oh, sorry about that, guys. India, ordinary passport, security validation. Even continue. Date arrival. Okay, it's pre-selected maybe last time. This time I'm clicking this also that let's say I have a Schengen visa, so I select this. Now I can apply for e-visa. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put sample information, but you do your perfect information as per your passport and travel document so that you don't get into any trouble. Oh, give a first name first. Date of birth, do it as per your case, not what you see here. Place of birth. You check your passport for this. See, as in your passport. And what are the characters you can? Mother's name, optional. This is optional. So, but I would say even if a field is optional, you can always provide the value if you have. Why to hide it? Right. Passport number. Check your passport as it is there. Issue date. I don't like people messaging me when I do that, but it's okay. Because I selected like Shenzhen, that's why I'm getting this question. Supporting document from where? Yeah. Supporting document number. And I say it's for in unlimited. Email address. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. Phone number, address, right address and details, characters and all they have defined. Commitment and information form. Yeah. You can go save and continue, then it will ask for documents and then payment. And from there, you can proceed. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.